Today we have a 2005 Toyota Highlander Limited with a 3.3 motor. The back end's making a terrible noise. It's rattling that, and the customer thinks it's coming apart. It looks like it's just a sway bar links. What we're going to do is show you where that's located and how to replace them. Start out by taking the wheel off. It's 13/16. This is your sway bar link right here. You got this bolt and this bolt. And for whatever reason, these are rattling. Actually, the other side's rattling worse than this side, but we're going to do both of them. So we take this one off, this one, and it happens to be a 15. We'll start on this side right here. This one does not have where you can put a wrench behind it. It's a cheaper set. So we had to put vice grips on it and grab it, and you want to spin it off. There's the top one. The other one was spinning. So what we're going to do is put this vice grip on it to start with. And what happens is when these go bad, it rattles. I mean, this is hooked to your sway bar right here, of course. You got your bushings. What this is this actually rattles, and it makes like the back end's coming apart. And actually, it's not dangerous, but it does sound terrible. So we'll do that ahead of time like that. Now that I got it broke loose, I'm going to use my little gun. The big gun doesn't fit in there. And that's out. This is the new one. You can see it's got the Zerk fittings, so you're going to want to snug these up. We're going to grease it once it gets in place. But you can see on this one right here, what I was talking about, it was spinning, but there's nothing like this. This one actually has a 15 that you can put on there and hold it so it doesn't spin. So we're going to reinstall this one. You're going to put it the same way. This one was out, like that. It's supposed to start right away, but it's not. You get all that grease on your hands, it's hard to get her going. That one started. Now sometimes on this bottom one, you can move this around a little, push it up, start the bottom one. I don't know why there we go. Starting so hard. Okay, for whatever reason, we took them off, they were 15. These new ones are 14. So we gotta put this on. We're gonna use a smaller gun because of the limited space. It's not spinning. We'll double check it once we're done with the top one. Now that gun's powerful, but I just want to double check it. That one's good. Check the bottom one the same way. Okay, it's an awesome gun. Now we're just going to grease it. Grease this one. Put a good 6-7 pumps, and you can see it's going to pump this up. Right there, it's starting to come out. Now we're going to do the same thing on the top one. 6-7 squirts. There we go. Last thing we do is put on the wheel and tire. 13/16 again. Hit a crossing. That's all it takes to replace a rear sway bar link on a 2004 Toyota Highlander with a 3.3 motor.